Meet Gary the goat. He's not just any goat, he's the self-proclaimed king of the farm. Every morning, Gary wakes up and checks his kingdom, which is mostly just chickens and a cow named Bessie. But hey, a king has to start somewhere. And so Gary sets off on a quest for the perfect crown. Will he find his royal headgear? Or will he just look ridiculous? Looks like royalty comes with a side of clumsiness. But no matter what, Gary will always be the funniest goat on the farm. Remember folks, being a king is all about having a good laugh.